Hey guys, welcome back. If you missed part 1 of me buying the car off auction, go check it out. But here it is, the Seat Leon FR. Overall, looking pretty good. The front end's not looking the best, but we'll get that all sorted. And hopefully, turns out to be a nice little car for someone. Pretty good condition. Wing, slight dent there. Should be able to pull that out. Front end, obviously new bumper, bonnet. New headlight maybe. Can get this up. Crash bar. Slam panel. Overall, it's pretty decent. Check the oils and everything. Give it a little start up. It's a good clean. No lights on the dash, full tank of fuel. Got the parking sensor light beeping. Apart from that, alright. Just gonna start stripping the bumper down, see if there's any more damage. Yeah, but I'm happy with it so far, so see what happens when I get the bumper off. See if there's any more damage, and then start ordering some parts. Get it fixed. Nice seats though. Glove box is broken. Unfortunately, we got no paperwork with it. I've checked everywhere. So it's a shame really, but it is what it is. Nice spec though, I like the steering wheel. Yeah, never had an FR, so it's very nice. Overall, damage ain't too bad. Got a bit here that needs sorting. Bolt on, bolt off part. This is fine, it just needs attached to the bumper and it'll be sweet. Need a new crash bar. I assume this bit comes with it, but might be wrong. All the clips look fine. This may be broken, it looks like it is possibly, so might need to sort that. We got headlight, but it looks like I can buy new clips for them, so we should be able to fix this. Fog lights look alright. What else we got in here? Bit of wiring for the sensors. We'll be able to use that. Then what else we got? Slam panel, need a new one. Possible AC as well. Yeah, and then this headlight I think it's also broken, so need some clips for that. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, that looks okay. Yeah, it looks alright. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove this headlight, see how broken it is, because I know that clip's broken, so there's something going on here, so remove that and see what's up behind it.
We were traveling the mountains just to find out how this tease. You said nobody found.
Alright, so remove this now, and it looks like it's maybe had previous damage, because that is looking good. So it doesn't look like they bought the kit you can buy to fix them up again, so I'll buy that and fix them. Actually, I'll check they'll work first, and if they do, then I'll do that. If not, buy new ones. But yeah, that's that out now. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Fix this bit. Actually, that might be okay. I think it's just that's broken, so fix that. Oh yeah, you can tell that's had a little love tap. This is a cat end, by the way. So yeah, fix that up and then should be good to go. What I'm going to do next though is just remove this glove box, because it's doing my head in. Doesn't show it's broke, so remove that, get a new one of them. I've just quickly fixed that just so it's not dangling down, but I'll need a new one. But what I'm going to do now, take this crash bar off and then look at the slam panel, maybe remove that as well, just get all the broken bits off. Might take this off, might leave it on just for a minute, but yeah, take this crash bar off and have a look. Alright, so we've got most of the damage off, just left with the slam panel. This is a little bent here, but I think we should be able to just straighten that back and it should be sweet, hopefully. But yeah, that's alright. The AC is toast. I've just checked to see if there's anything in it and it's empty, so we can remove that. Yeah, so we'll get that removed, maybe get the slam panel removed, and then hopefully all the damage will be off, apart from this here. Might remove that as well, then we can start ordering some bits, get it put back together.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island.
Alright, so we stripped out all the damage. I've tried to straighten this out a little bit, looks a lot better, but we'll see when I get the crash bar if it fits alright. It should do though, it's only a cat end, so hopefully it's fine. Got the AC off, that radiator is completely fine, looks spot on, so we can reuse that. Need to get this off next, buy a new one of them, but apart from that, it's all the damage off. We've got it all over here. Reuse some of these parts, but mostly gone in the bin. So it's all sorted now, we've got all the damage off. We've just zip tied that up there just so it's not dragging on the ground and some support on it. But yeah, it's just basically I just need to buy all the parts now. So yeah, should be good hopefully. You want to stay tuned for the next part where we put it back together, then subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See ya.